Mabuhay Philippines, Namaste India. Once again, this is Rojin Verma as your master chef for today. And welcome back to my channel. And today's video, guys, I'm going to cook one of my favorite foods in India, which is Aloo Parantha. So, let's go! Aloo Parantha, guys, so these are the main ingredients. So first, of course, we have the wheat flour. So satuan is trigo. So very healthy. So usually gina-mash ni siya by hands, of course. And of course, we have the aloo, which is patatas satuang dialect. And of course, one teaspoon of salt, a pinch of chili powder, and jeera, which is cumin seeds, and mixed masala. And of course, minced onion, chili minced, and ginger minced. Of course, for now, we have to mix all the ingredients. So all the ingredients are mixed together. So in one bowl. So actually, guys, this food, Aloo Parantha, is usually gina-serve ni siya every morning. So paired with cha and yogurt, dahi. So in India. So we are done with our mixed aloo or patatas, in short. This is how we do. So we make a circle. So ang next step na to karon buhaton is ang pagluto. So it needs kani nga mga butang. So first is kining chakla. Tawag nila well na, and tawa, dried flour, the lingin-lingin na dough, and the mixed patatas. And also the cube or cow's ghee. Kyo. So karon is the preparation. So mao na ni nakabuhat na ta og isa ka circle with patatas. So for now, pangnato sa tawa nga init na kaayo. So ang ato ang Aloo Parantha is half cooked na. So this time around, ato na siya butangan og cows. Aloo Parantha is almost done. Okay guys, ito ang Aloo Parantha. So ready to serve na for breakfast. Mag-prepare na po ko og cha. So para lamigin lang ang pagkaon sa ito ang Aloo Parantha. Okay? Sa ko ang Aloo Parantha, which is a must-try jud kaunon. Very healthy. And of course, namigay siya iparis sa tuang cha. And yogurt. Plain. So, of course, ready na nga itong breakfast. So, i-serve na natin guys. Sabay ta mga awal. Okay? Guys, ito ang breakfast is ready. So, may tama na on. Actually, para yun sa iya. Thank you for watching my video, guys. And kung bago ka sa ang channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now, and Atsuji, Changaji.
Papanyito si Mika to.